Rico, a family trip to the beach means plenty of fun, sun, and food. Here, one family member cooks skewers of barbecue chicken, while another prepares a big pot of arroz con gandules, rice with pigeon peas. But not everyone wants to do their own cooking. Here, a small stand on the beach prepares and sells a number of typical Puerto Rican dishes, including alcapurrias and bacalaitos. Alcapurrias are plantain fritters, which are often filled with meat or seafood. Bacalaitos are cod fritters. Both are fried to a golden perfection. As a finishing touch, the alcapurrias are wrapped in a plantain leaf to help give them shape and to accentuate their traditional flavor. Alcapurrias are a popular snack. Not only are they a traditional Puerto Rican treat, but they pass the taste test with flying colors. Parts of Viejo San Juan date back to the 16th century, and the historic part of the city has more than 400 restored buildings from that era. It was designated a U.S. National Historic Zone in 1950. Its famous colonial houses are more than 200 years old. Built to imitate architecture in Spain, these colonial houses are known for their balconies and elaborate filigree ironwork. As a reflection of their tropical location, the houses in Viejo San Juan are painted in a variety of bright and cheerful colors. Their vivid hues are often complemented by tropical flowers decorating the balconies.
The Yunque is a tropical rainforest, water being its determining factor. Here, it rains practically every day. Due to the topographical diversity, the forest has a large variety of plants, trees, and different types of vegetation. There are many beautiful places to visit in the Yunque. One of our most beautiful waterfalls is called La Coca. It is very impressive to observe its height and, if it's raining hard enough, the enormous quantity of falling water.